This is not what you imagine when talking about pandemics. But Rest Park in Bedfordshire is inside the Indian variant hotspot zone.
It's a fantastic site. The waterways actually go around the whole perimeter of the
Emma
site,
Fernandez-Lopez
so
says tickets for next week's events at the English Heritage site are almost sold out. They're excited about welcoming back the public, but remain mindful.
It would obviously be devastating if we weren't able to kind of continue operating. Our staff, our visitors love being here and enjoying the great outdoors. So we're hopeful that we can continue, but we are monitoring kind of government advice very carefully.
Social distancing, one-way systems and infection control are the new normal for venues like Rest Park. Visitor numbers will be reduced, but are still sizable. They're expecting some 1,500 visitors a day here next week at Rest Park, and we're inside an Indian variant hotspot, and obviously that has prompted some concern and some questions being asked. But we're at a very different stage of the pandemic now. That's because of the vaccine rollout. Inoculations have driven down infections and hospitalisations. These people in West London are taking full advantage of a local vaccine bus, offering jabs for everyone. And the UK vaccine programme received another major boost today with the approval of the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
This is the fourth vaccine to be approved by our independent regulator. Of course, we've got the Pfizer-BioNTech, the Oxford-AstraZeneca and the Moderna vaccine that are being deployed. And now we have the Janssen, the Johnson & Johnson single-dose vaccine being approved. So it adds to our ability to combat this virus.
But news of a new vaccine has been tempered with the latest data. England's R number has risen slightly to between 1.0 and 1.1.
Cases are going up quite sharply, and not just cases, hospital admissions are up 25%, deaths are up over 30%. It's not. So we're in a situation where I just don't think we can afford to open up more until we actually have 2 doses in our population. And unfortunately, that's still a couple of months away.
The next few weeks will be crucial. The government says it can still see nothing in the current data to delay the lifting of all restrictions on the 21st of June. Hospital admissions are still 98% below the peak of the second wave in January. But, as we've seen before, things can change very quickly in a pandemic. Ashish Joshi, Sky News in Bedfordshire.